as you can see, it has completely downpoured on my birthday like it does every single year. Hey guys, it's Tristan Duplichain and I'm back with another video. I actually filmed my birthday weekend in New Orleans. I actually photographed a model while I was down here as well, so I'm going to show you some behind the scenes footage with that. We're waiting in line for Cafe Du Monde. Going on Instagram and setting up a modeling shoot with Regan. She is so pretty. I absolutely love her hair, and she definitely knew how to pose. It wasn't very hard. I just kind of told her how to move, and the rest went from there. I used a Canon 5D Mark III. I also shot with a Sigma Art 35mm lens. We also used fairy lights for this shoot. I just really wanted it to be a lot of lights, and I just wanted to focus on the colors and just kind of focusing on her face pretty much. I also have Regan's social media on here, so if you want to follow her or like her Instagram page, she definitely does a lot of modeling, so if you're a photographer and want to shoot with her, definitely give her a call. With these set of images, I really like the aquarium in the background, so I wanted to focus on the building and just kind of get the perspective and the architecture in it. It ended up raining on our photo shoot. Every time I go to New Orleans, it seems like it rains. So I don't have a lot of video of me talking, so I'm just going to keep doing voiceovers. But I ended up using the fairy lights with these sets of images as it got darker, and they looked really good, especially with the neon lights. It was something different I wanted to do. There's not a whole lot of neon lights in Jackson, so I was able to utilize this while we were in New Orleans. For me to decide what images were my favorite, but I think these right here are my absolute favorite of the entire shoot. She ended up really getting into her poses, and it was just fun, and we were just kind of goofing off, and the lighting was really cool, so I really like these set of images. Looked really cool when I edited in Lightroom. I tried to bring all the neon colors out. I did use presets, but I ended up manipulating the presets just to bring the neon lights out. Up our shoot, we ended up going to the Hotel Monteleone, and we actually took a couple, and I ended up doing I took two pictures and ended up merging them together because the hotel sign was blurred in the background, but I really wanted that depth, so I ended up just taking a photo of the sign afterwards, and it ended up looking really cool, which you can see that towards the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming soon.